Hi, I'm going to take you through my personal favorite feature of Flowlens, dashboards. I'm going to show you how you could turn this white space into something useful like this. Something that can be used across the business at all levels to drive productivity and boost profitability by focusing on the things that really matter to your business. Dashboards highlight areas which require action, help you plan ahead, and also for historical analysis. For example, if I was a member of the sales team, all I'm interested in is what I am currently working on in order to achieve my sales targets. I can create dashboards which show my open inquiries, my open sales leads, and also a nice pie chart which will show what stage these sales leads are at. Similarly, if I was a sales manager, I'm interested in the performance of the whole team, what the team is working on from an inquiry point of view, from a sales leads point of view, and I can also analyze historical performance from sales leads over multiple periods of time. If I were somebody on the shop floor, all I'm interested in is those job cards which I am required to complete within a specific period of time. And again, I can see I have 2 job cards open, none in progress and none closed. That's what I'm focused on. Those are the things that will make a difference to the business. Each of these dashboard widgets that we've seen are unique to each user and are personalized to help them achieve their daily targets. Similarly, dashboards also help me to plan ahead. If I was somebody in the business who was responsible for sales order fulfillment, I could use sales orders due for dispatch in this particular week, which will help me stay focused on those things that make a difference to the business, such as keeping my customers happy. The great thing about dashboards are that they are dynamic and they will update as you work through your tasks and your actions. Those dashboards will keep up to date. If you'd like more info on how dashboards can benefit your business, or you require some assistance in rolling this out for you and the team, feel free to contact me at marv@flowlens.com. Thank you for watching.